What is going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Just wanted to highlight something in this Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 4xe that just came in. Something new that Jeep's doing with their hybrid electric vehicles, so they're plug-in hybrids. They're doing an e-hybrid screen over here. So much similar to what Jeep's doing with their off-road pages, you can now do that with your hybrid settings in your hybrid vehicle. So it's pretty cool. You can see the power flow. I'm going to creep forward for a second. That way it kind of shows you what it's kind of doing there while you're moving. So it tells you where all your energy is moving to. So you've got the batteries underneath the rear seats there, and it's kind of showing you from that there's a motor right there in your transmission instead of your torque converter that converts all of the regenerated energy from your max regeneration mode right up here into your battery life, which is pretty cool. So that your power flow kind of shows you where everything's being directed as far as your power, your driving history. So this will kind of show you how you've been driving your car in battery and engine fuel, which is kind of cool. And then you can see your regen history as well, kilowatt hours gained through coasting and braking, which is pretty snazzy. Your e-save mode, so if you do go ahead and go to e-save, it preserves the current hybrid battery level for later use. So with e-save, that's going to be all your gasoline instead of your hybrid electric energy from your battery. It'll just go into your battery save there, and then once you can set up your total charge level as well. Your charge settings, so you can go through and kind of set how you want it to charge, whether you want it to charge rate high, 5, 3 is your standard. And then you can set this on a schedule as well, which is pretty cool. So if you guys do live in your own house and you do have the level 2 charger set up, or you can use the level 1 that comes equipped with a car, you can set up whenever you plug it in how you want it to charge. Say you get better rates overnight for electricity, you can set it to charge from midnight to 6 a.m., whatever you want to do there. That way you can kind of capitalize as far as your electricity bill goes and your driving schedule as well, which is pretty cool. I do like how they give you that, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a highlight on this today while we got this one still here, but it is pretty snazzy. I do like how it shows that. And right now I'm in all electric mode, so you can't really hear anything, but I like how it kind of shows you. The moment that I let off the gas and touch the brake, it stops, which is pretty cool. So you're going just a smidgen, and then we'll slow her down. And see there, so the minus, I do have the max regen mode on, so that's where it's adding battery back into it. So like we're drawing like 16, 30 watts, 30 kilowatts, now we're charging -2, -1. But hey guys, I just wanted to highlight this for you. It's something cool that Jeep's doing with their new Grand Cherokees and their Wranglers as far as their plug-in hybrid models. More to come, but just know, wanted to shoot you guys that quick update on how to do that.